Hi, my name's Moreton-Jones and I've been an award-winning chef for over 30 years. Now, this year, I'm on the lookout for the UK's best full English breakfast. So join me in the search for the UK's best breakfast. And today we're off to the Barn in Kimbridge near Romsey. Started off with a nice mozzo flat white. Nice roasted flavour as we wait for our full English breakfast to come out. Let me know in the comments, is it HP or is it ketchup for you when you have a full English breakfast? Great pop on the yolk. Unfortunately the hash brown was a tiny little bit overcooked. Really, really good black pudding though. Excellent flavour, perfectly cooked. I like the fact that the beans are on the side. I'd add them on, but you can obviously leave them separate. Great with the sourdough toast. Bacon was super crispy, which is nice and tasty. Sausage super meaty, but I wasn't a big fan of the flavour. Okay, so the Barn in Kimbridge, rated on Google 4.5. It was a good overall breakfast. I enjoyed it, really tasty. It's their own smoked bacon, so that was a good addition to the menu. Eggs were from Clayton's Farm, which is just down the road in Romsey. If you haven't seen it, you can watch my visit to Clayton's Farm during lockdown. I'll tag it up here. I think the highlight for me is it's a very nice place to visit. It's a lovely area. As you walk in, it's a good clean restaurant. It smells of freshly baked pastries. Loads of assortment of cakes on the right hand side as you walk in. We got seated, the breakfast came out on a large wooden board, metal skillet, so really good presentation. I think for me the quality of the ingredients shone through. I think from now on, sourdough toast, if I was creating a fantasy league of the best breakfast plate, it's got to have sourdough toast on it because that's strong enough, crispy enough to like soak up all the juices at the end of the egg yolk and the beans. I think it's got to have beans on it. It's got to have that really good free-range egg yolk with that nice golden colour to it when you pop it. If you're in the Romsey area and you're looking for a full English, definitely worth a visit. A lovely place to go. Please drop me a click, subscribe, like the channel, and you can follow my journey around the UK in the search for the UK's best full English breakfast. And thank you so much for watching. Please join me next week as I visit somewhere else for a full English breakfast in my search for the UK's best breakfast. If you want to see my leaderboard, it's down here on my website, www.GaryMortonJones.com, and I'll see you next time. Take care now, bye. Thanks for watching.